Depression and freezing point, those who derived the equation and got the answer very easily can derive this equation for elevation of boiling point. If the curves BD and CE are assumed to be straight line, triangles ABD and ACE may be regarded as similar triangles. For similar triangles ABD and ACE, we have AB by AC is equal to AD by AE. We already know the values of AB, AC and all. That is AB. The distance AB means delta TB1 or T1 minus TB. Similarly, from this, the values are substituted in the equation AB by AC is equal to AD by AE can be written as T1 minus TB by T2 minus TB, which is equal to P0 minus P1, P0 minus P2. Refer the graph and you write by yourself. Then only you will understand. Where P0 is the vapor pressure of the pure solvent at its boiling point TB. P1 is the vapor pressure of the solution 1 at TB. And P2 is the vapor pressure of the solution 2 at TB. Delta TB1 by delta TB2 is equal to delta P1 by delta P2, which is equation number 2, where delta TB1 elevation of boiling point of solution 1. Delta TB2 is elevation of boiling point of solution 2. Delta P1 is the lowering of vapor pressure of solution 1. Delta P2 is the lowering of vapor pressure of solution 2. It follows from the equation 2 that in general we can say delta TB is directly proportional to delta P, which is one of the most important equation, number 3. That is, elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to the lowering of vapor pressure. According to Raoult's law, P0 minus P by P0 is equal to small w into m divided by capital W into m dash. P0 minus P can be written as delta P. Delta P by P0 is equal to small w into capital M divided by capital W into capital M dash. Delta P is equal to, bring the P0 to this side, and P0 and capital M. P0 is the pressure of the solvent and capital M is the molecular mass of the solvent. These two factors, just like the earlier equation, it is a constant. Therefore, we can write delta P is directly proportional to W by capital W into M dash, which is equal to equation number 4. Comparing the equation 3 and 4, just see, that is delta TB, that is third equation, and this is the fourth equation. Delta TB is directly proportional to delta P. Therefore, instead of delta P, we can write delta TB. Therefore, delta TB directly proportional to W by capital W into M dash. If capital W is 1 kilogram, this factor, that means W by capital W into M dash, represents the molality of the solution. Therefore, delta TB directly proportional to M molality. That is, delta TB is equal to Kb into molality. The equation 6 represents the relationship between elevation of boiling point and molality of the solution. In this expression, Kb is a constant known as molal elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant.